Hello everyone, and in this video I will compare Monzo versus Revolut Abroad and discuss about the overview, Monzo Abroad, Revolut Abroad, international feature and the conclusion. But first please subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's begin. Overview. Monzo and Revolut. Each promises a seamless experience abroad, but which one truly stands out? Let's explore. Monzo Abroad. Monzo, known for its vibrant color card, has been a popular choice for travelers. Here is why. Fee-free spending. Monzo lets you spend abroad without incurring foreign transaction fees. With competitive exchange rates, you get the value you deserve. ATM withdrawals. Need cash on the go? Monzo allows fee-free ATM withdrawals up to £200 every 30 days, making it a convenient choice for those who prefer using cash. Real-time spending alerts. Stay in control of your financials with real-time spending alerts. Know exactly where your money is going, helping you stick to your budget even when on the move. Revolut Abroad. Now let's turn our attention to Revolut. Revolut, with its Slack hub and versatile feature, has become a go-to for many international travelers. Let's see why. Fee-free global spending. Revolut takes the fee-free concept further, offering fee-free spending on international transactions. Plus, you benefit from interbank exchange rates for more than 150 currencies. Free ATM withdrawals. No need to worry about ATM fees with Revolut. Enjoy free ATM withdrawals up to £200 per month, and for premium plan, it extends to higher limits. Multi-currency accounts. Revolut's multi-currency accounts let you hold, exchange, and spend in multiple currencies directly from the app. This can be a game changer for frequent international travelers. International features. As we compare Monzo and Revolut for international use, both have strengths that cater to the needs of travelers. Monzo stands out for its straightforward fee-free spending, clear alerts, and the convenience of fee-free ATM withdrawals up to £200. It's an excellent choice for those who want simplicity and reliability. On the other hand, Revolut's fee-free global spending, higher ATM's withdrawals limit, especially for premium plans, and the added flexibility of a multi-currency account make it a robust choice for those who desire more control and currency diversity. Conclusion. So, which one suits your travel style? Monzo excel in simplicity and real-time alert, while Revolut offers more versatility with multi-currency account and higher ATM withdrawals limits. The choice ultimately depends on your preferences and how you navigate the globe. Both Monzo and Revolut bring something valuable to the table, so weigh your option and choose the one that aligns with your international adventure. And there we have it. If you find this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.